Is there anything I can do, sir? Please. Don't do this to my wife, man. You don't know what you're doing to my family, man. Please. I'm begging you. I'm literally where am I going to put my feet? Sir, I'm begging you. Please. Please. Please.
Today's video takes us to Fort Worth, Texas, with a stop at the Tarrant County Courthouse, where we find Manuel Mauck and his attorney. They both get arrested for different reasons, but it's a 2-for-1. And anytime you have that, that's a good day indeed. So let's all sit back, watch, have a good laugh, and most of all, enjoy, Manny boy.
Oh, man, that's fine.
TJ's right. 11666 is my badge number.
You're not going in?
T-Cole doesn't get to decide what federal agent. No, they do not. Because I don't have to fall under T-Cole licensing.
You're falling under Bear County, doing the same thing too? Bear County, the same thing too?
So is this fraud? Is this a fake license? No, don't shush me. Is this a fake license?
Why didn't you carry your gun into the courthouse?
I did.
No, you weren't. You were
Yes.
I've seen this before.
I carried it
I've seen it
into the
before.
courthouse until your people changed the rules.
So why didn't you carry it in? Why didn't you go past us?
Because I made an agreement with you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so I won't do that agreement anymore then.
Okay.
I carry in every courthouse in the state.
You'll face the consequences.
And you will too when I sue your ass because you know exactly what law is, and it doesn't say T-Cole. It says 926C, 18 USC 1926C.
Right here.
Now this guy on the left with the white beard is Manuel Mauck's attorney, and for some unknown reason he always carries a firearm into the courthouse, but he doesn't take it into the courtroom. He always checks it with the police outside. I don't know, as an attorney, I know this is Texas, but I know as an attorney, you should know better to even think about carrying a firearm anywhere near a courthouse. I don't care if they check it outside the door or not. That just seems stupid as hell to me.
You don't have to debate it. You just gotta violate. You just gotta protect my rights. Excuse me. Stop touching. Don't.
Hey, don't start doing that shit.
Excuse me.
Back up. Back up. Get your hand off me, then, bitch.
Don't tell me to relax.
Man, get your hands off me, man. Stop touching me.
You bumping into me.
Pussy mother. What's your name?
You bumping into me.
What was your name, ho? Since you want to assault me, mother.
To me. I didn't touch you or touch anybody else.
What's his name?
You bumped with me.
Hold it, door.
George.
As soon as you get my
Loser.
And I want everyone's name and badge number, Chief. Where you at?
All right, here.
Everyone that's right here. I want everyone's name and badge number.
Don't touch me either.
Your guys are.
I don't give a fuck.
You're gonna go
I don't care, bro.
conduct. You can't use
Who's offended? Who's offended? You can't be.
Well, there were civilians.
Well, go look for one then. For what?
Take him for disorderly conduct.
Who's offended?
Oh, yes, indeed. And once again, there you have it. Manny boy gets arrested because he can't shut his foul mouth. I don't understand what all the cussing's about, man. I took out about a dozen F-bombs. Why is it that frauditors can't talk without using that F word? What is it about frauditors? Oh, that's right. I forgot. They're uneducated.
I'm not. Who's offended? Who's offended? Y'all can't be offended by what I just said.
Okay. Yep.
Is somebody being arrested for free speech here?
Yeah, man. Y'all. What's your name? Manuel, hey, go get my shit, CJ. Hey, go get all my stuff. Hey, man, get this dude off of me. Orozco. Man, y'all fucked up, man. Get this bitch off me. He slammed me into the wall. I don't answer questions. Y'all gonna pay for this, I promise, dog. Disorderly conduct means someone's offended, not y'all. Y'all stupid, dog. Y'all dumb as shit, homie.
Well, good people, Manuel Mauck is no stranger to being arrested. I don't see why he's so upset. But now let's watch his attorney get arrested. Let's roll that clip.
Me? Is this a fake license?
Why didn't you carry your gun into the courthouse?
I did.
No, you weren't. You were meant to lock it up.
No. I carried it into the courthouse until you your people changed the rules.
So why didn't you carry me? Why didn't you go past us?
Because I made an agreement with you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so I won't do that agreement anymore then. Okay. I carry in every courthouse in the state. And you will too when I sue your ass because you know exactly what the fucking law is and it doesn't say T. Cole. It says 926C, 18 USC 1926C. You don't have to debate it. You just gotta violate, you just gotta protect my rights. Excuse me. Don't touch him. Don't touch me.
I'm a big fan of the Second Amendment, and I think everybody that knows me knows that for sure. But there are some places you should never, ever carry a weapon under any circumstances, and one of those is a courthouse. I'm not talking about the courtroom. I'm talking about the courthouse. Don't ever take a firearm in there. Ever!
You just gotta violate, you just gotta protect my rights. Excuse me. Don't touch him. Don't touch me.
Hey, don't touch him.
Excuse me. Back up. Don't tell me to relax when you're assaulting me. You're assaulting me. Don't tell me to relax. Let me fucking go and I will leave. Stop touching me and I will leave. And I will sue everyone here. Don't tell me to relax when you're touching me. Get the hands off me.
Yeah, he was in here. This is the third person they falsely
Sheriff,
arrested.
I've got my law enforcement credentials in my pocket, Sheriff. Don't do this. Sheriff, in my back pocket. I just showed it to the chief. Well, then check it right now and get me out of these cuffs. And then repeal code 4615.
Yeah,
he's a lawyer.
You can't even arrest me for unlawful carry because it doesn't apply to me. 4615 is non-applicability. It's in my left back pocket.
Marion County had to learn the hard way.
You're costing the county even more money.
I saw the video.
No, I can get it to you.
Well, there you have it, good people. I'm not going to say too much about the attorney because I don't want to get sued, but I have no clue why you would want to take a firearm into a government building. I do not get that, but you know what? It's not for me to understand because I know the law. I'm not an attorney, but I know the law, and I would never take any type of weapon into a government building. I don't care if it was a pocket knife. You can't do that. But not to worry. If you enjoy watching stupid people do stupid things on my channel like Manuel Mauck, please subscribe. Because when it comes to frauditors on YouTube, these yahoos will do anything they have to for clicks and views on their channel. And every time Mauck gets arrested, he makes plenty of money, doesn't he? Please check out my other channels, including Dr. Dave Frauditor Terminator. Oh, that features Boom Boom Lana and Love Your Longtime Goat Boy for buku money, okay? Yeah. And there's my main channel, which has over 6,000 video uploads for your viewing pleasures. Mauck's never going to get a job because he's a career criminal, apparently. How many times has he been arrested? Too many for me to count, I can tell you that. Cheers to that, sweetheart.
What's his name? What's his name? I want his name. Hey, don't leave because you're detained, bro. What do you think about your service here today, ma'am?
You know what? If you're gonna be such a jerk...
He was being disorderly. He's being disorderly. And we're not breaking the law. We shouldn't have a problem here, right? Oh. Yo, you're racist. Racist. Oh. That's a hate crime. You're being disorderly. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. Lower your voice. You're getting aggressive now. If we're in public property, you have to have a crime in order to trespass us.
Said, take your hands out of your pocket.
I'm asking for a
we don't know what the heck you're going to do right
Sir, we're not doing anything wrong.
What's the Third Amendment?
Let me go talk to him.
Yeah, nobody knows the damn Third Amendment.
This guy's being disorderly, but it's okay because he's a cop. Get away from me. Get away from me. But you can citate them. Yeah. Are they going to be cited for disorderly conduct? In America, the land of the free, where we choose to do what we want as long as we don't break the law, who the hell do you think you are?
Fucking man, dude.
I'm not doing anything to you.
You're a bitch-ass punk.
I'm not doing anything to you. I'm not doing anything on you. Freedom of speech, he never said fighting words.
Those are fighting words.
How is that fighting words? If you feel like fighting, it's your problem. He's not doing anything wrong. I can guarantee you, sir, I can take a video of myself farting and thousands will see it.
Dude, you're in my space. Get away from me. Call the police, would you please?
Just know that we are the bosses, bro. We are. You're not. You have a gun? Yeah. It's your Second Amendment. Guess what? I have a camera. We're going to speak to the mayor about this. By the way, sir, you're in Auditing America with over 100 million views on the internet. I don't have to discuss my day with you. Who are you? Can you briefly, in one sentence, tell us what the Third Amendment is about? You don't point your finger at people. We weren't harassing anyone. Oh, you assaulted me.
I did so many.
You assaulted me. She assaulted me.
Come on, we're on camera. We're on camera. Smack me, okay?
Who's talking about violence?
Come on, man.
Who's talking about violence?
Get out of my face. Get out of my face.
Hey.
Get out of my face.
I'm not backing up. No, you asked me.
You're
I'm
causing a
not.
disturbance.
If you touch her, you're gonna go to jail.
I'm not touching her.
Get back up.
I don't want to touch either
Back
one
up.
of you.
Oh, the shit show at the post office. You should be crying about that line that you're making. My God.
Why are you crying about cameras?
I have an anxiety problem.
What's your name?
I don't answer questions. And that is why, my friends, Mr. America does what he does. And then you become a tyrant.
And we can nicely refuse.
I'm a tyrant. Who are you?
Who are you?
You're sitting here
Who are
recording
you?
people without their permission.
I'm a camera guy, and I'm in a public place. What's your problem, bro? I'm my own boss. I'm my own boss. I'm my own boss.
If I take their mask off, you gonna be recording
What you gonna? I bet you don't have the balls to do that. We have authorization.
I don't
here.
want to be on your camera.
Maybe being in a public
How
place is
about
not the
common
best.
courtesy?
Now it's your turn to walk away.
I can walk away whenever I really.
Walk away now.
Am I being detained?
No, that's why I just told you to
Okay,
walk
I'm
away.
free to leave.
That's the opposite of detainment.
Oh, okay, I'm free to leave.
So go ahead. Yes, please.
Okay, I'm free to stay too. Listen, bro, slow your roll.
You have an appointment.
I'm not talking to you. What the Third Amendment is, and I'll be on my way. You don't have to tell me verbatim. You can just tell me briefly what's the Third Amendment about. Why'd you do that?
We asked you multiple times.
Okay, but why did you do that? I don't need to speak with you, sir.
Who you need to speak with?
Get away from me.
I'm not doing anything wrong. You're too close, bro.
Never break the law. I know my boundaries. I know where I'm at. I'm not interfering with anybody. I don't need you guys to explain to me how to behave myself. Take this one more personal because I've been in there and I know exactly what you guys do. I know exactly how you guys treat the inmates. Don't touch me. Don't you ever touch me again. All right? Keep your hands to yourself. Why are you touching me, bro? You are a Nazi, sir. And we can get you fired. You know that?
Traveling, we can ask you to leave.
You don't. You can ask, but I can nicely refuse if I'm engaged in a constitutionally protected activity. Hey, man, but you have a gun and I want you to stay away from me. Before you enter those doors, all of you stick your tongue in your asses. You touch me. You touch me. Why you put your hands on me? Why you put your hands on me though? You hit me. You can't go anywhere. Look at this guy is following me. Leave me alone. She hit me. She hit me. It's on video. She hit me, and now she's detained by the police. I have freedom of speech. You don't tell me what to do. Who do you think you are? Let's stay right here. No, you can't. You're escaping. Yeah, you're helping a criminal. That's a crime too. You were all up in my face. Why don't you get in my face again, stupid? I'm sick of you.
I don't think there's a crime that's been committed.
You haven't made an investigation.
Okay, well, did he assault you?
What are you gonna arrest me for? Trespassing? What's the crime? You need a crime. You need a crime to trespass somebody in a public place. What's the crime?
Sir, I tried to explain.
What's the crime?
Clearly, you just want to argue.
Well, no. Of course, I want to argue. I've been violated right now.
First one.
You're required to know
What's the
this.
first one?
I'm asking you.
What's the first one?
I'm asking you, sir.
What's the first one?
What you tell me?
I'm asking you.
No, I'm asking you, sir.
Okay.
You don't give us orders. What don't you understand about that?